If Google Chrome is suddenly using too much CPU on Windows, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. High CPU usage can make your computer feel slow, cause fans to spin loudly, and even freeze tabs. But the good news is that most Chrome performance problems are easy to fix without reinstalling anything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, start with the easiest fix. Restart Google Chrome completely. Close Chrome fully, make sure every window is shut down, and then open it again. Sometimes temporary browser processes get stuck in the background and start using more CPU than they should. A quick restart clears those temporary issues and gives Chrome a fresh start. If that does not help, the next step is to restart your computer. Click the Start menu, go to Power, and select Restart. This refreshes Windows memory and CPU processes, which can fix background conflicts that are affecting Chrome. It is a simple step, but it often solves performance issues faster than you might expect. Now let's check Chrome's built-in task manager. Open Chrome and press Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. This opens Chrome Task Manager, where you can see exactly which tabs, extensions, or background processes are using the most resources. Look for anything with unusually high CPU usage, especially tabs that are running heavy websites or extensions that are consuming too much power. Select the problem item and click End Process. This immediately stops the selected process and can bring your CPU usage down right away. Next, disable unused extensions. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Extensions, and open Manage Extensions. Here, turn off extensions you do not really need, especially ad blockers, VPN tools, or any heavy add-ons you rarely use. Extensions are one of the most common reasons Chrome starts using too much CPU, because many of them run continuously in the background. The fewer unnecessary extensions you have, the lighter Chrome will run. After that, go to Chrome Settings, then open the System section. Find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and switch it off. Then click Relaunch to restart Chrome with the new setting. Hardware acceleration is useful in many cases, but on some Windows systems, it can actually create performance problems and increase CPU usage instead of reducing it. Turning it off is a smart troubleshooting step if Chrome feels unusually heavy. Another thing to check is how many tabs you have open. Too many tabs can quickly increase CPU usage, especially if several websites are playing video, refreshing content, or running scripts in the background. Close any tabs you are not actively using. Even a few extra tabs can make a big difference, so this step is worth doing every time Chrome starts slowing down. Now let's clear the cache. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Select cached images and files, then click Delete Data. Over time, corrupted or overloaded cache files can slow Chrome down and contribute to higher CPU usage. Clearing the cache gives the browser a cleaner start and often improves performance immediately. Finally, turn on Memory Saver. Go to Chrome Settings, then Performance, and enable Memory Saver. This feature helps Chrome reduce background resource usage for inactive tabs, which is great if you tend to keep a lot of tabs open. It allows Chrome to use system resources more efficiently and can make a noticeable difference on slower Windows computers. So to recap, if Google Chrome is using high CPU on Windows, start by restarting Chrome, restarting your PC, checking Chrome Task Manager, disabling unused extensions, turning off hardware acceleration, closing extra tabs, clearing the cache, and enabling Memory Saver. These steps fix most Chrome performance problems and can help your computer run much more smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows and browser fix videos. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up guide on how to fix Chrome high RAM usage next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.